Many of you may know that this is what it says in the start of my streams. Well, I will show you how I stream. Oh, wait a second. Let me go ahead and switch to the scene. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I stream and play games and all that and make videos. Yeah. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and search up obsproject.com. And then when you do that, it's going to come up with this. Don't worry, I'll also have a link to this down in the description below. So after you do that, if you have Windows or Mac OS, you could go ahead and choose whatever you want. I already have the Windows, but I'm not going to download it because I already have it downloaded, and that's what I'm using. Okay, guys, so once you have downloaded OBS Studio, you're going to have absolutely nothing in scenes or sources or audio mixer. Your scene transitions will also say fade. This is all perfectly fine because it also happened with me. But yeah, you won't be seeing this first thing once you open OBS Studio. You're actually going to have to make a scene first. I went ahead and made this scene video and sources to show what this to show this. If you make a scene, it won't immediately show this. So what you're gonna have to do is press the plus button, go over to display capture, choose make it whatever you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it desktop. Oh, not desktop. You just press OK. Choose the display that you need. Usually if you're using one computer, there's only going to be one display, and click capture cursor if you want to see your cursor. So then you press OK, and then it'll put it over there. So now I could just go ahead and delete this one over here, and it will still show it. So if you want to know how to make a scene, you just need to press the plus button over here. You name this whatever you want. I'm just gonna name this to begin, since I'm showing you how I stream too. So I'm gonna do begin. It's gonna be a black screen. I know you can't see anything. You're probably gonna be nervous. It's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it back to video. I'll go ahead. Oh, I have to drag this all the way on top of this. So I just dragged this. Oh, it keeps switching, but I just dragged this. You could just drag it on top of each other. And yeah, this is going to be kind of like the first thing. If you also seen all my scene transitions, like the swipe, right now you can only see the fade. Well, what you have to do is go over to scene transitions. You just switch it to swipe. Easy peasy. If you also want to hear the desktop audio, you also need a mic. I already have my mic connected. So what I did was I could just go over to audio input. This is going to be your mic. I'm just going to name it that. You're going to use your mic. Mine is the Fifine K669 USB podcasting microphone. And if you want to not mess around with your volume and you just want to keep it like that, just go ahead and do lock volume, and then you can't even move it. So I'm just going to go ahead hide this because I do not need that. Go over to, and if you want to, so yeah, that's how you get your mic in. I'm just going to go ahead keep this here. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that there. If you want to have desktop audio, what you have to do is go over to audio output capture, and you can name it whatever you want. Like always, I'll just name it desktop audio. And then the device, it's obviously, you have to make it your default device. And it will come up down over here. So if I go ahead and play a game like Arsenal, it's going to start making noise and all that. You could make the volume whatever you want. I usually just make it down to over here, so you could actually hear my voice. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. You could, Another good thing about OBS Studio is that if you actually click desktop, or if you like so this is how we do texts. If you like just insert like a text, let's just do hi. And then you just say hi there. No. What about like, oh hello? No. Oh hello. Oh, then I keep making a mistake. Oh hello there. Oh hello there. You can just go ahead and put it down here. Maybe we can like go ahead and change the font. This is gonna be inside of the stream. Desktop, maybe you could just like go ahead and put it down here. Like that. Oh hello there. So if you don't know how to change your thing after you inserted it, you just have to go over to properties, and you could just like select your font to like this, and then select your color to like orange. Yeah, perfect. Oh hello there. By the way, you can actually make this big. If you want to know how I do the scroll thing, what you could do is you do this. You have to go over to filters this time. Press the plus button. Scroll. You could change. If you move this to left, then they go to the right. The more you do it to the left, then the faster it goes. So maybe I could go ahead and do like this. And what this is, it's moving it up or down. If it's to the right, it's up. If it's to the left, then it's down. And just like above, the more you do it, the more faster it goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like this. That looks good. And yeah. Let me go ahead and apply maybe a camera. You're gonna see my face in a 3, 2, 1. I am so sorry, guys. You cannot see my face. I am blocking it out. So let's go ahead and put OK. You cannot see my face. Actually, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do like this. Let me just make this like the full size. Oh, what am I doing, man? Okay, and then you could go ahead and just put my camera right over here. Yeah. Okay, you can do stuff like this, but yeah. You might be asking, well, my game is laggy. How do I fix that? Well, especially if you have a low-end PC, your game would be pretty laggy. I have a very good PC right now. So what you have to do is you have to go over to Advanced. You have to go to Process Priority to above normal. This is what I did with my older computer. Now I can go to high because I have a new one, but I would keep it at above normal if I were you. Hotkeys, these are shortcuts. You don't have to go over to OBS Studio to do everything. Start recording is Alt-B. Stop recording is Alt-S. That's what I made it. For you, it would be just totally gone. Well, there would be absolutely nothing there or something. You could change it to backspace or space. I'll just keep it at Alt-B and Alt-S. If you want to save changes in your settings, you always, and I mean always, have to go over it down here and click Apply. You always have to do that. Video, I can't really change it right now because I'm recording it. Output, what I'd say, if you have a good computer, you could change the bitrate higher. You can use your own encoder, and I'd suggest using ultra fast for CPU usage. I can't really do anything for anything else since I am using this computer to record. But yeah, I think that's all for now. Okay, so what I did was I just went around fixing everything over here. stuff like in the scenes, like begin. This is what it looks like for the begin. So this is what you're gonna see in the stream from now on. Once I am getting an intro and an outro very soon, probably in about 2 weeks. So this will be changed up in like 2 weeks. You could switch it to this. I could switch it back to break lol, and end, stream ending. So yeah. So obviously, guys, this isn't gonna be my last tutorial. That's why I think you should go ahead and like and subscribe. So because I will be releasing more tutorials. I might actually just make a whole nother channel just for tutorial videos and intro videos. But yeah, I will have a gaming video coming out later, around like 3 o'clock. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe because I will have more tutorials out soon, and I have to drink water, so let me drink water. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, Happy New Year's. Today is the new year. It's 2021, the first day. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.